Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants. We're here, we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, right underneath the video, there is that thumbs up. That's important on the YouTube platform for the growth of a YouTuber. So please, if you're enjoying my content, please take a second right underneath to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Wants grow on this huge platform. So I'm thanking you in advance for that thumbs up. All right, today I'm really excited. I got the package from Ipsy, and this one is my pop-up sale. So always excited when these come in because we share this together. I always share with you when these sales happen, and I share with you when I have a chance to review some of the products, and then you guys share with me in the comments if you've had a chance to try some of the products that are on sale. And these sales are absolutely fantastic. So I did pick up a couple of things, and it always surprises me that I do because I get so many boxes on the channel that there's always something out there that intrigues me that I want to have it here and play with it and be able to share it with you guys. So I do take my notes when I do my purchasing, so I'm able to remember when the products arrive exactly what I purchased and to make sure that everything that I purchased is in the bag. So here we go. The first item that we got, and everything that I received today was in the 2 for $5, which is such a crazy deal. And some of these are even full-size products, which I'll share with you as well. What also that I like is that each one that comes in the 2s come in these plastic little baggies that they separate them so you know which are the 2 that were together in the deal that you got. All right, okay, so let's get started. The first one that I got, they're tiny little samples, but I knew they were going to be, but it was something I wanted to try. It is the Undone Beauty and the Balm Cosmetics. These are the 2 little guys here, and it says it's about matte, about your makeup duo in medium. So these were both in the medium shade, which I thought would be perfect for me. And this says, say goodbye to melting makeup with these hydrating mattifying options. The first one here is from Undone Beauty, which is all over the internet right now. It is a new brand that I'm so excited I'm gonna have the opportunity to try because this is big in retail, and on Instagram it's being shown everywhere, and it's called the Unfoundation Matte Tint. The shade that was in this bundle was a soft beige medium, so we'll keep our fingers crossed. We'll do some swatching. And then the Balm's Antidotes Tinted Moisturizer in number 26, medium 7, which is this guy here. So the first one here that says Undone, it says it's an Unfoundation Matte Tint. It's a savory for oily skin. Its lightweight formula is infused with tea tree oil to help control the sebum production for a matte finish that's perfect for humid weather, which sounded perfect for me. And then the next one here is the Antidotes Tinted Moisturizer, as I said, in number 26, medium. It's a complexion perfector that goes beyond the surface. It gets bioretinol, a natural ingredient that mimics the effects of retinol, to help smooth fine lines, plus murmurro seed butter, vitamin A and C to protect, hydrate, and even out your skin tone. So both of these sounded so cute. So here we go. This is this one here. This is the little tube that we got. We'll do a little swatch of it over here so we can see what the color looks like. And that's what that one is here. And I'll leave in the description box the colors and everything marked in the description box down below. Also, always check in my description box if I get codes or links or anything that can help us out in reference to any discounts or whatever. I always share that with you, always in the description box down below as well. All right, here we go. Here's the other one. Let's do a little swatch of her. Oh, and this one has a safety seal. The first one did not. And let's do it right above it. That's what that looks like there. And we'll just smooth it out there. And that's what those 2 look like there. Really nice. This one feels a little bit thicker, the balm, than the first one, just based on, you know, the feel alone of a swatch. But I will play with these, and hopefully in one of my MOTDs, which are my makeup of my day videos that I share with you when I'm not unboxing or sharing with you what we purchased. I do these MOTD videos, and they're easy to find. You just go into the search bar and you type in MOTD in my page where the videos are, and then everything that I do I share with you my feedback on all the products that we get that I have the opportunity to try. But those videos only come up when I'm not sharing things that are like more exactly right now, this is what it just received. So I wanted to make sure to get that out to you guys. All right, the next one that I received here is from ORYZA, which if you know my channel, it's a product that I am enjoying so much. And they paired it up with one of my brushes that I enjoy so much. And this one is a new brush to me, and this is a new quad for me from this brand. So I'm really getting a nice little stash of these guys. And this one, believe it or not, is actually a full size on their website, and this has a $20 value on its own. And I know the SlMissGlams are also not an inexpensive brush. So this is a really fantastic deal for 2 for $5. And this one says, glam up your lids with these warm sun-kissed tones and channel serious vacay vibes. This one, the Orza, is in a golden hour shimmer eyeshadow, and the SlMissGlam is a tapered glam number 5 brush. So let's start with this guy here. So Orza, this one says it's the golden hour shimmer eyeshadow. It's pretty much magic hour in a palette. There are 4 ultra buildable shadows that blend on like a dream thanks to the soft clay rich mineral pigments and the mix of warm shimmery tones like burnt orange and champagne rose. They are perfect for all your summer makeup looks. And I'll swatch this guy for you as well. And let's just open her up. So there's no mirror inside, but these are the shades. Is that not beautiful? All right, so let's do some little swatching here. So it looks like we have, this one here is the one that's in the corner here. Those are the 4 that are over there. And it looks like one of them might be more of a matte, that guy here. So let's just do it right on top here. Oh, they're beautiful. I am so impressed with this line. It is unbelievable. Look how gorgeous that is. I mean, to get 4 shades for $2.50 and this caliber, it's unbelievable because a deal's only a good deal if it's something that you're going to enjoy. And that's also when you take the time to do an eyeshadow look that it's going to last. And this one does. Really happy with that. And then the other one here is the Tapered Glam 5 brush. It's the perfect size and shape for highlighter for your favorite features with a precision and blend out any harsh lines. Plus, it is a synthetic bristles that are super soft on your skin to create a minimal fallout. And always SlMissGlams have these cute little rhinestones in the front here. So it's really, really pretty. And look how cute this brush is. And it is very, very soft. So excited to get that as well. And then the last bundle that I received here is from Item Beauty and Farah. This is Skill Your Bronzer Like a Pro with the Glow Inducing Set. The first item is this one here, which is called Cheek, Money, and Mood. And I'll open this guy up and we'll take a swatch of her. And then this one, I could not wait to receive. This one is the Powder to Go brush. I was very lucky in the $3 section to be able to receive the smaller versions of her double-ended brushes. But this one was going in a lot of the girls who got it in their plus, and for some reason I didn't, and I also didn't get it as an option. So when I saw this, I had to grab it. So this one here, I will open up and share with you it inside. I'm so excited for this. All right, so this is the bronzer, and it is from Item Beauty. And Item Beauty is a brand that now just got the okay, and you'll start to see it in the Sephora's, which is really exciting because it is a brand new brand. And this one, it says it's called Cheek, Money, and Mood. It's a gorgeous medium brown bronzer that will help you look sculpted 24/7. Use it to give your cheekbones, your nose, and your jawline the instant definition. It's infused with hydrating hyaluronic acid to help draw moisture to your skin and create a smooth, soft, focused finish that's never cakey or chalky. So that is what this looks like here. That is what it looks like here. We'll do another little swatchy here, and I'll do it along the side here. Try to get it so that you guys can see. Yeah, wow. So if it ends up being too dark for me, I'll end up using this as a shadow because I really enjoy getting bronzers, but sometimes the tone or the undertone is a little too red or something for my skin tone, but I'll only know once I play. And then when you can always brush it out or put a blush over it and tone it down. There's so many ways to play with the makeup that we get. But like I said, if it ends up being a little too dark or the wrong tone, I'll end up using it as a shadow. So excited about that. And now here's the brush. So this one here says it is the Powder and Go brush. It's made with high quality and cruelty-free synthetic bristles. It's a dual-ended brush that lets you apply and set all of your makeup products like a pro. Use the larger domed end to powder your face and the smaller end to press and lock your powder into place. Even better, this multitasker plays nice with both cream and powder, which is fantastic. And what's amazing with these, when I travel, I only travel with dual-ended. It's just something that I do, and I really, really enjoy doing that. So these little areas here, I always call them bras for the brushes. And I end up keeping these because, first of all, they're fantastic to travel with, but more importantly, after I wash them, I put them in this so everything goes back into the shape that it should be. So it's not all spruced out or something like that. But look how gorgeous this is. So this is, oh my God, it is everything I wanted and more. I didn't open this up before filming. I cannot believe how soft this is. This will be such a treat to do that light dusting of powder all over the face. And then this is the other guy here. I am so over the moon that I was able to get this and to get it with an Item Beauty. So that's everything that I chose for myself in the pop-up sale. I do have something coming in from the flash sale. I also ordered a mystery bag, so all those videos hopefully will be coming up soon. And then so much to share, so much information that is coming our way. So make sure also that you're following me on True Wants with the number 2 on Instagram, because sometimes the information comes down so quick that I'm able to post it right away on my Instagram feed, and then I can sit down and do a video here. And sometimes it only ends up on my Instagram feed simply because it's pictures of my towers, of my boxes, and when I open up things and spread them out, those do so well. And I want to make sure that you guys don't miss out on anything that I have to share. So make sure to follow me on Instagram with the number True Wants with the number 2. We're almost at 5,000 followers on Instagram. It's unbelievable. So once again, everybody, thank you so much for taking any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. I thank you so much. Make sure to share in the comments down below if you picked up anything that you want to make sure that I don't miss out on the next sale. But if you've had the opportunity to try any of the products that I just went through, I hope you will do that as well. Share in the comments your likes and your dislikes on any of these. I think that's important that we all share. All right, take care everybody, stay well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Bye for now.